So if you are ready to stop being broke and start earning a monthly residual income, you are watching the right video. What's up? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, I'm sure this is not your first, how to make money online video that you're watching. But if it is, hey, thanks. You know what I'm saying? I really appreciate it. But anyway, there are tons of ways to make money online, right? I'm sure you're probably aware that different programs out there, different systems, some are good, some are bad. But one program that I've been rocking with hard because it's one of the easiest ways to make money online and the earning potential is crazy, and that opportunity is Nexus Rewards. Now, Nexus Rewards is a cashback and savings membership program that gives people the ability to earn multiple streams of income while saving every time they shop on or offline. So Nexus Rewards is so dope because this appeals to a lot of people, right? Because a lot of people are looking for ways to make money online, and a lot of people are looking for ways to save money, right? And get cash back. And this is where Nexus Rewards does both of these things. So not only will you be able to earn money from using the apps inside of Nexus Rewards, you will also be able to build a monthly residual income just by sharing the Nexus Rewards opportunity with other people. So if you are at all into affiliate marketing or network marketing and you're into the idea of, doing the work once and getting paid month after month after month, this is for you. So getting straight to it, I'm about to share with you from the owners of the company the earning potential of Nexus Rewards. Like I said, if you are into affiliate marketing or network marketing, you would definitely want to watch this entire video. Now, I'm sure after you get done with this video, you are going to want to jump on the Nexus Rewards team. And all you need to do to get started is click the first link in the description of this video. Now, once I've seen that you joined, I will personally reach out to you and help you get started and start building your income. So enjoy the rest of this video and I will see you on the team.
So with this compensation plan, a couple of things. We've combined some of the compensation plans that we've worked with over the years, and we got rid of all the garbage, the things that didn't benefit us. And the advantage that Art and I have is that we've been in the industry as distributors. So we know what works, what we like, what we didn't like. Get rid of that. Never like that. That just seemed to benefit the company. Forget that. What if it was like this? So we've put all these things together and combined a couple of different programs into one program that works seamlessly. You don't even have to worry about it. Just kind of does it all by itself. So one of the things was we put in a unilevel. Loved unilevels because it gives you the power in your own hands to build as big a business as you want. You can share this with as many people as you want. You could share it with 5, 10, 100, 200, 1,000. You can just keep sharing the benefits of getting cash back and savings with other people. You can just keep doing that. And that will then filter down. Obviously, if you have 5 people filtering down, that's going to filter down so much. But if I had 100 people filtering down, well, it's going to even be bigger. That's how it works. So you can go as wide as you want, and every person that you personally refer, you're going to get $10 a month. So out of that $21.95, 10 of it goes to you for going out and sharing the information with other people. And that comes in month after month after month. 5 of that is in the unilevel, 5 is in a coded bonus, and I'll give you just a quick overview of that in a second. But this goes down level to level as other people go out and they say, yeah, I'm going to let people know about this. They can be saving on their gas, they can be saving on their groceries, and they start telling others. And this can grow and grow down 10 levels. So phenomenal way to build a residual is the deeper you go, the more people just naturally start falling under in your business, and you're going to get paid on all of that. And I'll give you an idea about the potential of that in a minute. So we have the 10 level infinity pay. You go as wide as you want, enroll as many people as you want, build a big business as you want. We have a $5 coded infinity bonus. And what we love about this aspect is this is not capped at any level. So as you go out and share this with other people, when you enroll 5 people, 2 of those $5 payments are going to get coded to your sponsor. Now, why would we do that? I would give up 2 $5 payments so I could get an infinite amount of $5 payments to me. So it randomizes it. We don't know who they are out of the 5. You don't know who they are. And the $5 gets coded up to the sponsor. This then allows you to get $5 coded bonuses from everybody else. You can sponsor as many people as you want. Every person then that you're sponsoring in, you're going to get 2 of those $5 payments. Once they get coded to you, then you're going to get 2 more from them, and it's going to go from 2 to 4 to 8 to 16 to 32 to 64, and that's just going to keep going. So over time, you can be getting paid on levels 20, 30, 40, 50. As we're here 5 years from now, you'll be getting paid on level 50, level 60, because all of them get coded to you, and then 2 more get coded to you, and then 2 more get coded to you. Phenomenal aspect of the compensation plan because it's infinitely deep. It just never stops. So as long as you're with us, you're getting $5 coded payments. Then we have a bonus, and this is a loyalty bonus matrix that starts paying after 6 months. Basically, how we set it up is by a 3x10 matrix, which means each person, I have 3 spots on my first level. When those 3 spots get filled in, everybody else that I am sharing it with is going to go underneath those 3. And there's 9 spots on your second level, and then 27 on your third level, and 81. So it fills in, and it's locked to that many openings per level. So we pay 10 cents on every one of these levels, and on level 10 we pay 25 cents. So this is something that's going to build over time. It's kind of like a team build, and it's not anything that we even have to concern ourselves with. We just know that as I'm sharing this with other people, they're going into this matrix, and that's going to be a bonus that I get on top of everything else that I'm making. So these all work seamlessly together, and they work on top of one another. So you're getting paid in all these different ways. So if this were to get maxed out, the max you can make in this bonus matrix is over $17,000. If it was filled perfectly 3x9 by 27 all the way down, you'd be making $17,000. So that's a hefty little bonus that over the course of time, you're just being with us for a period of time. I go find another company that I don't care if you're with them for 20 years, they're not going to give you a $17,000 bonus every month just for being with them for 20 years. Ain't going to happen. It's not out there. But we have built this in as part of it, the loyalty bonus matrix. Love this little aspect of it. But we didn't stop there. We'll pay 100% matching check on everybody that you personally refer. Say what? Absolutely. So if I refer 3 people and this thing built out perfectly for them, and they were making $17,000, well, I'd be making 17. They're each making, I'd make another 17, another 17, another 17. So the 100% matching check is awesome. If they're making 50 cents, and it's just small for them right now. I get an extra 50 cents. If they're making $10, I get an extra $10. If they're making $50, I get an extra $50. And once again, remember, you can refer as many people as you want. 3, 9, 27, there's 39 people. You go out and do 39 people, you've filled in your first 3 levels already. And then whoever they're bringing in is falling in all underneath there. So matching checks on everybody you personally refer. Love that aspect of it. So just to give a little potential here about what can happen with this compensation plan. What if we had 5 who just enrolled 5 and we just paid through the 6th level unilevel aspect of it? So we got 5 people, starts with you, go out and enroll 5, and if they did exactly the same thing, that would be 25 on your 2nd level. Now you have 125 on your 3rd level. Everybody just doing the same thing to give us an idea of what kind of income potential this unilevel has. We take that down 6 levels through that $10 on your 1st level, $1, and then 50 cents and 50 cents down those other levels. That's over $14,000 a month in residual income, just on 6 levels, not including levels 7, 8, 9, 10, not including the coded bonuses, not including the matrix, not including the matching checks. $14,000 a month just by sharing a program that's helping people get cash back, savings, discounts, put money in their pocket for $21.95. That's $176,000 a year. Okay, so if it took you a little while to get there, so what? What are your options? Where are you going to make $176,000 a year? This simply, this easily. You know, if we look back at this residual income, what if I wanted to make $10,000? We saw here that's $500. What if I wanted to make $10,000 a month? We just saw, well, this is over $10,000 a month. $10,000 a month. What do I need? $5 million in my portfolio, sitting over there, kicking me back about 10 grand a month. Well, wouldn't it be easier to go out and help 10 people make $1,000, or help 20 people make $500 through this compensation plan, through Nexus Rewards? It'd be a heck of a lot easier than coming up with $5 million. So what's faster, easier, or even more rewarding? When you're going out and helping people, helping them save money, helping them get cash back, giving them hope, giving them something that they can get excited about, letting them see that light at the end of the tunnel, there's something there. Think of all the people out there. One thing let me see if I can share this. I saw this on one of, I was watching a YouTube video, and just to give you an idea of what we have, this individual, I work in a factory, I'm 61, I'm so tired of working my guts out all day for minimal wages. I've been working all my life, paying my taxes, and even served 12 years in our country's Navy, and now the government has added 2 more years onto the retirement age, just so I'll skip that, he was a little pissed, can save money on paying out the age pension. So now I have to work to 67 and 65. How do you even get out of this rut when you need to work to provide for your family's needs, rents, foods, etc.? I saw that in one of the comments, and it just took me as that's, this is the reality of what people are dealing with out there, and we have something we can offer them, a beacon of hope that we can say, here, there's something. Take advantage of it if you want or not.